Hi, my name is Peter Vloot. I'm testing out the Graco Nautilus SnugLock. It's great for if you have more than 2 kids or even just 2 kids. It's easy to install, it's lightweight, it goes in and out of different cars very easily. The recliner feature is great because, like in my Kia Soul, right here you can see the seats are angled a bit, and with the feature to recline it, it makes it go into different car seats easily. It went in very easily. I've had it a couple weeks now. My son loves it. He says it's comfortable. He doesn't complain. Falls asleep in it really easily. I would definitely recommend it to my friends, family, anybody else who is thinking about different car seats. Graco is a excellent brand. It's definitely the best bang for your buck if you're going to go with a mid-range price. It's not made cheap, but it's also not super expensive to buy.